Welcome back, my home cooks and chef. Today we got cocktails on the menu, so we're gonna be making this Miami Vice. So I'm gonna show you how a simple and easy way for you to make a cocktail for your happy hour Friday. All right, you guys, see you in the ingredients. All right, so these are the ingredients. These are all the things you need to go to the store and make your shopping list for. You got the Pina Colada mix, you got the strawberry syrup, you got the rum, coconut, or pineapple, and 1 cup of ice. All right, you guys, and the details of this this recipe will be in the description below. All right, you guys, so, and that's just 3 ounces of rum. So that's pretty much everything if you want to follow along. But let's get to the blender. Let's mix this up, you guys. We'll show you how to make this Miami Vice. Add your ice first. Mix. Add your rum. Next, you're gonna add a 1 cup of your Pina Colada. Now, you just blend. So, what we do is how we dress the glass is pretty much add your syrup and turn it, spin it. Just to get a little bit on the sides, like that. Put it down. Now you're gonna do the mix. Just pour it up. All right. So this was a simple and easy one. Let me know in the comments below. Have you tried Miami Vice or Pina Colada? Pretty much it's a Pina Colada with strawberry or grenadine in it. But I hope you guys enjoyed this. I wanted to get this ready for you guys, so you're ready for Friday happy hour. And maybe you can make you up a cocktail for you or your friends, to kick back on that Friday. Because after having a long week of work, who doesn't want to have a drink to chill with? So hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know I did. I have more of these videos to come, and I'll see you guys in the next one.